चालू असा नॅशनल मिडियातून घेतलेले असा ऑपोजिशन लिडरांनी सेंटराक आणि स्टेट लिडर काँग्रेसच्या लिडरांनी घेतलेले become viral regarding the Rafael row. At no point of time there has been a discussion between me or any other individual. There should be a true inquiry in this matter, and I would like to once again inform the Honorable Chief Minister that there is someone playing mischief, and there should be a true inquiry in this matter, and such mischievous elements need to be brought to the books. This is a letter written by my colleague Honorable Vishwajit Rade to the Chief Minister of the state, where he has asked to make an inquiry, true inquiry. And Honorable Chief Minister has taken the matter in his hands, and there will be an inquiry which will happen. Dusra Vishay, I want to reflect on today's Congress press statement which is taken nationally and going to state in Yatla. I think if you go and see, if you have your own press who has taken, I've got press articles of the cabinet आमची झाली, त्याच्यानंतर प्रेसान खूपशी कव्हरेज दिली असा. तिथून गिरीश चोंडकरांचे कव्हरेज दिल्ली असा आणि तेणे म्हटलेले असा की सीएम देवना खंयतरी ब्लॅकमेल करपाचो असा आणि कितें तरी विषय तेणे मांडलेले प्रेसान तुमचेच मिडियम घातले. I only want to say today that I think this is all a cooked up story which has been happening with the Congress party, not only here but at a national level, to show Rafael as a big scam which is not there. And these press statements are not today, it is next day after the cabinet which has happened. On that day also Girish has made a statement that Honorable Chief Minister, when he was a defense minister, has got things with him. That is why he is not being dropped, which is there here. Your own press statement is here. And I think this is all a cooking up a story. आज बघायचं सिद्धनाथ भुयानान press statement घेतला आणि everybody knows that he is an artist and everybody knows that त्याच्याकडे स्टुडिओ असा. Maybe he has made की आज मिमिक्री खूप आहा. तुम्ही पळयता जाल्यार you have seen that mimicry artists are growing and they speak on political leaders. Maybe he has created this mimicry artist and created this clip and he has become viral from his own studio. I'm just saying, but I want to clarify one thing, that myself and my colleague Mr. Milind were also part of the cabinet. We are also part of the BJP. We as minister were part of the cabinet. Nowhere such incident of Rafael has come. Nowhere any incident, because I remember I addressed the press immediately after coming down from the cabinet, and I gave whatever was there, because there were a lot of agendas including my portfolio, wherein there was which was discussed about Verna, GI substation, a lot of other issues were there, and there was no discussion of any Rafael item, because it is not connected to the Goa cabinet at all. Rafael as a शब्द गोयचे कॅबिनेटान लागनाच जाल्यार डिस्कशन कॅबिनेट कशें करतले? See, Vishwajit has sent a letter to the Chief Minister, who is supposed to be in the audio. I have told Vishwajit himself has asked Chief Minister to do an entire investigation on the clip. We as BJP party also are telling Honorable Chief Minister to go to the details of finding who has made this clip. And I am assuming that because Girish Chondekar, who is the Congress president of the state of Goa, soon after our cabinet, he has made a statement where he alleges that Honorable Chief Minister is not being brought down because he has got a lot of things of Rafael with him. And if you see today's press conference which is taken by the Congress, my good friend Mr. Sidhanand Bhuyan has taken it. So he is an artist. I am just saying. So if they are involved or who is involved, the investigation will prove who is right or wrong. Damage is yes made by this part, made to this by this audio clip. That is why the central government is bringing sort of a legislation wherein apps forwarding messages damaging to not only forget party. Today there are you are aware that messages circulated in WhatsApp or other forums of social media have led to several killings when things have not happened, have led to so much insecurity among the people of India. That is why the central government is pondering in bringing legislation to curb this nonsense which is happening in the social media. We have expression of speech, we have expression of freedom of speech, everything is there. But this is not freedom of speech. This is all maneuvered and monitored, and as the elections come forward, I think there will be much more things. And what happens is people believe in those things because people don't understand. Now fortunately, now if you go to see in WhatsApp, it will come forwarded. Now the new thing has been started coming. So at least you can see what that unity is there. Health Minister of this BJP government, the BJP Minister in the cabinet along with us, Vishwajit Rane, has given a letter to the Chief Minister. Now Chief Minister must have already accorded his, as the Chief Minister, the Home Department is under him. He must have already started his investigation. I will give you details as and when I get from the Honorable Chief Minister. But yes, not only he, we are also as a BJP party asking the Chief Minister and as members of the cabinet to go into detail. Tomorrow it can be said by Nilesh Cabral. Somebody said, my voice is very nice, it can be recorded in my name also. So let it go to that conclusion and let the culprits come to book. And whatever is there, I think Chief Minister has to go into details. If CBI, CID, whatever investigation is required, the best of investigation should be done.
Sir, why your colleague is not filing police complaint?
Who?
Your colleague, Vishwajit Rane.
So see, if you go to see, he is a cabinet minister. He can also file a complaint, there is no doubt about it. But he is asking the Honorable Chief Minister as a Home Minister to file. He has already written to the Chief Minister, no? So that is also a complaint. So Honorable Chief Minister will give all these details, all these complaints to the concerned people, and thorough investigation will be done on who has made this order.
Thorough and time bound election.
Now I will ask Honorable Chief Minister and come back to you maybe in another 2 days time. But we'll come with the results soon. But whatever, as we are here, the colleagues in the same cabinet, the 3-hour cabinet, we were there for 3 hours. Fortunately, I reached much ahead of the time of the cabinet that day. Normally they say I reached little late, but that day, fortunately, I reached first. So every discussion took in place of me, in front of me, and there was no such, because it's not connected to our cabinet. Rafael is not our subject, and the question of we discussing it is not there only in the cabinet.